Time to turn to Michelle back at the Weather Center for the updates we'll need. Michelle, the warm and rainy weather is welcome to some people who are romantic and, of course, appreciates dressing light. But for the organizers of the Pyeongchang Paralympics, they are busy dealing with melting snow.
That's right, Daniel. And the rain is clearing away, though it's expected to continue until tomorrow morning on the East Coast and also on Jeju Island. In Pyeongchang, the organizing committee has prepared for the worst, so the game should go ahead as planned. And by the looks of it, cooler days are ahead. Now, dress warm tomorrow since it's going to be about 5 degrees Celsius cooler than today. Seoul rising up to 3 degrees in the morning. Daegu and Busan at 3 degrees, 5 degrees for Busan, respectively. And it warms up into the day. Seoul at 11 degrees, Gwangju 14, Busan at 9 degrees. Now, it will be chilly with strong wind until Saturday morning. However, into the day, highs will rise again, and the temperature gap will be the key point to remember for the next couple of days. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.